Welcome all. This is our lecture 40, and in this lecture we will cover the topic editing a spreadsheet, and this is the second part of the editing a spreadsheet. In previous lecture we have also covered the topic edit a spreadsheet. In previous lecture we have learned how to add and how to delete a particular row and a particular column as well. How to change the size of a particular cell, how to alter the data in a particular cell. In this lecture we will insert and delete a particular sheet as well. Okay, here we will know how to add a particular sheet, not a row, not a column. We want to add an entire sheet in our workbook. Then this is a very simple option. We can use any one of these. You can click on insert worksheet icon, or you can go in the home tab, and by clicking on the pointing arrow on the cells group you can choose insert sheets from there. But the most simple way to add a sheet is this. If you want to add, here you can see, here we have sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, and you want to add another sheet 4 with this, then you have to click on this particular insert worksheet button or one insert worksheet icon. You can easily add a particular sheet in your workbook. Okay, this is the most simplest way to add a sheet in workbook. The next topic is how to renaming a particular sheet. To rename a particular sheet, we can choose any one of the following method. The most simple method is to double click, as we have learned in previous lectures. Double click on the sheet name, and you can you can change the name of a particular sheet, or you can put your mouse there, and by right clicking on the mouse you can select the rename button from there as well. And by clicking on the home tag you can also alter the sheet name by the home tag as well, by clicking on rename sheet tab. Clear? But the most simplest way is to double click on the sheet name. We have also learn about this by right clicking on the name, and you can type the particular name of the worksheet as well. So class, this is all done in this lecture. In this lecture you have learned how to add and how to rename a particular sheet in a workbook. So this is all done in this lecture. Prepare your good quality notes and be in learning mode always.